Hey guys, Jenny PRD. Thanks so much for checking in. This video, I'm going to show you a delicious pumpkin spice cake. So easy. You can bring it to your Halloween parties you may be going to, or even bring it to Thanksgiving dinner. So before I get into that, I want to encourage you to please subscribe to my channel and ring the bell, which simply means turn on notifications so you are the first to know when I upload a video. Make sure you say hi below, leave any questions or comments you have. Let me know of different nutrition topics you want to learn about as well, because after all, this channel is for you. So let's get right into it. So I decided to make this cake for my husband's work. They are a tough crowd, some of them. So it's going to be a little bit healthy, but definitely still delicious. So really easy. You take a box of cake mix, any type of cake mix that you like. I'm going to choose vanilla. I've done chocolate. Both are great. And I poured it into this bowl here. And then I have a can of pumpkin puree. Guys, you need to be careful to make sure it's not pumpkin pie filling, but just 100% pumpkin. You look at the ingredients and all it's going to say, probably can't see it there because it's not zoomed in enough, is pumpkin. So vanilla cake mix and 1 can, which is 15 ounces of pumpkin puree. So this is replacing the oil and the eggs. Just think of all the fat and cholesterol we are saving, and all the fiber and vitamin A we are adding just from pumpkin. Of course, we need some cinnamon. We'll say maybe about half a teaspoon, and just a little bit of pumpkin pie spice. So this one, just a smidge, because it goes a really long way. So guys, I'm simply gonna stir this all together. Just keep folding the ingredients and you're gonna get a nice consistency. So delicious. And I love cake batters or any type of batter that does not call for egg, because you can try the batter to make sure you like it and not have to worry about getting salmonella, right? This is a fun one that I make with my older baby. He enjoys watching me mix it all up. Sometimes he'll help sprinkle in the cinnamon or the pumpkin spice, and the best part, his most favorite part, of course, is going to be licking the spatula, right? And helping me clean the bowl. Those are always my favorite. Whenever my mom was melting chocolate chips, we all fought over who got to lick the spoon. It was great. All right, so here it is. A beautiful orange color from that pumpkin. And I'm just gonna bring my cake pan. So guys, I am using a 9x13 pan, and I'm just gonna plop it on in there. And I'm gonna bake it for about 30 to 35 minutes. So I'm gonna spread it till it's smooth, and that's about it. So let me know what your favorite Thanksgiving desserts are, or even what your favorite Halloween candy is. Why not? Thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.